Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to host a website in GoDaddy cPanel in 2024. So today we're going to walk through how to host a website using GoDaddy cPanel. If you're ready to take control of your web hosting and get your site live, this guide will help you on every step, of course, of your way. So let's dive into the process of hosting your website with GoDaddy cPanel in 2024, and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you will need to go and open a browser. Here I'm using Brave, for you can use whatever you want. Once you open that, make sure to go to this URL section, and all you need to do is simply type godaddy.com and hit the enter button. If it's your first time you'll be taken here, you'll be able to click on sign in, of course, to sign in into your account. So let me just show you. And of course, if you're already logged in, you'll find yourself as an example here. You'll find yourself here. You'll be able to access your products and etc. All the things will be accessible. If it's your first time, you'll find the sign-in option here. If you don't have an account, you'll be able to create an account. You'll be able to create an account or even log into your account using Facebook, Google. If you don't want to get through all the bunch of steps of filling up your information and simply just don't have to fill up your information all over again, you'll be able to do it automatically. So once you are here, as you can see, once you're logged in, the first thing that you'll need to do, so you can access cPanel, you'll need to purchase a hosting plan. So I'll just go here at the top and click on hosting and security. Once I do so, of course, we would like to do web hosting. Of course, you can even choose a VPS, dedicated hosting, if you want to. So depending on whatever you want, you will have to choose a plan that suits your needs, whether it's shared hosting or VPS or dedicated hosting. So if you click in here, what do you want? Do you want a web hosting, VPS hosting, or WordPress hosting as an example? So I don't know what do you want specifically. So depending on the thing that you choose, as an example, let's say for me I choose web hosting, I'll just go and click on see pricing and plans. Make sure it contains the cPanel. Let's say, example, I'm just going to choose or CVPS as an example. Let's just choose whatever suits you and make sure it has the cPanel. So, example, this VPS has it. What about WordPress hosting? I guess WordPress hosting probably will have it, but let's see. So, yeah, as you can see, there's here no cPanel. Let's see about this. So, it does not seem like it has cPanel, but I guess WordPress has cPanel, but I'm not very sure. So, make sure to just choose a hosting plan, like as an example of VPS hosting, which has the cPanel that we see. And make sure, as you can see, cPanel or Plesk available. As you can see, there are not free features. cPanel or Plesk can be added to your plan for an additional fee. So as you can see, depending on the plan that you want, make sure to go and get, or the features that you want, make sure to go and get the plan that you want. And once you purchase your hosting plan, as example, make sure to go and access your cPanel. So of course, you'll be able to access if you click here on your name at the top right corner, then click on my products. And there, as an example, you'll be able to scroll down and here you'll find cPanel if you purchase it. For me, I don't have it here. So just find the hosting plan that you choose, click on manage, and this will take you to the hosting dashboard. And you'll be able to look for option to access cPanel and click on it to open your cPanel dashboard. Normally, you'll find it here, but if you didn't, just go and choose your hosting plan, click on manage, scroll down to the bottom, and you'll find cPanel there. Once you access it, you'll be able to set up your domain. In cPanel, you'll need to set up your domain. If you purchased your domain from GoDaddy, it should be automatically linked to your hosting account. And if not, you can add like your domain by going to the domain sections, as an example in here, and clicking on add domain. If you click on manage all, for me as an example, I still don't have any domains, but as an example here, you'll be able to transfer domains to GoDaddy and make sure to follow the step. Like example, add domains here that you want to transfer. You can even see some tips and then click on continue and just follow the steps that they are telling here. Or if you want to purchase a new one, just click on find your first domain and purchase a new one to connect it or to set up with your cPanel. And of course, if you can add, if not, of course, if you just like purchased your domain, you may not like have your website on it. So all you need to do, of course, you can go back to your products example, go to your, as example, websites, maybe, I don't know, maybe this one, if you want to simply transfer that website specifically to your cPanel, so you'll be able to simply host your website on it. So as an example here, if you go to this list panel, click on domain. Here, make sure, of course, to find your domain. Of course, if you already own one, you'll find this right here. Just click on it and you'll be able to connect that website to the specific domain that you want. Or as simple as that, you can go here, click on edit website as an example. And once you are on the website builder as an example here, click on that domain name. As you can see, they take you right away. So click on connect a domain. And as you can see, for me, I still don't have a plan. But for you, if you have like a domain, they will take you to connect to it right away. But if you don't have one, they will take you to go and choose a plan so they can give you a free domain. Or instead, as an example, they will take you to buy a new one if you want to. So that depends on whatever you want. I don't know what specifically do you want. And yeah, that's how you simply like host your websites in a GoDaddy cPanel. Of course, like if you want more steps, or you can always like help go to the help center and it will help you. Or if you want to hire an expert, of course you'll be able to if you don't want to do anything by your own. As an example here, like connect my website to cPanel as an example, or something like that, or to a domain or something like that. Of course, make sure to follow as an example access cPanel to my server, connects domains to my website as an example. And once you connect domain to your website, you'll be able to go and access it. Or maybe there's a problem right now. Maybe I have a problem in connection or something like that. Let me just go and check. No, it seems all good. So, and of course, after that, you'll be able to go and see like how to connect your that domain on cPanel. If you want like specific details or specific steps, like I will not purchase like cPanel just for this video. So I hope you understand. And of course, once you set up your website to the domain and set access or set up that domain to your cPanel, you'll be ready to go. You can start creating now and configure your database if needed. And you can configure your or test your website if it's working as intended. And that's going to be it for me today. So there you have it. You successfully hosted your website using GoDaddy cPanel. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.